Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. Litecoin has recently broken down this trend line support. You can see that for the past several days, it was bouncing very well from this support. Like we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. This was another bounce, and this was another bounce. And finally, price has broken down the support. And right now, Litecoin for the past 3 days moving at this long-term support of $100. Here we had a long spike to the downside up to $86, but the price then did not break down the support. The candlestick is not closed below $100. It was closed at $101.38. And now it is again moved up. And again, the next candlestick is moving at this support of $100. And for example, if the price then breaks it down, then here we have this uptrend line support. That was, in fact, there is this of the previous up channel that we have already broken out. This was the up channel where the price then was moving previously. And after the breakout, we had a nice rally. And now if the price then drops more down up to $84, $83, then it uh, can hit this resistance of the channel that can now work as a support for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this down channel, and we will also take a look at this huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, this breakout is happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And this is the very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that is formed on the monthly time frame chart and still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for XRP. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to this long-term trade signal that I shared with my members on 29th of May 2022, and that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Litecoin formed on a monthly time frame chart. And you can see when I shared this signal at that time, it was moving approximately at $62.08, 80 cents. And now if I play this chart, you can see that the price has rallied very well, and so far it has pumped almost up to $147. By the way, the sell targets starts from $224 and goes to $348. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Litecoin, and first of all, let's have a look at the daily time frame chart, and here we can see that for the past several days, the price line was moving it at this uptrend line support, and now we have broken it down. And for example, if the price then breaks down this uptrend line support, that was in fact the support, the resistance of the previous channel that we have already broken out. And this was the up channel, by the way. Here we had the support and resistance of this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, and finally the price then broke it out. And now this previous resistance, very strong resistance, can work as a strong support, and it can hit that support. For example, if the price then breaks down this support of $100, if we will have a daily closing below this support, then it can drop down here. That's the support approximately at 84 or $83. And in case of breaking down this uptrend line support, first it can test this support the previous channel that is approximately at $71, and then it can test this long-term support of $65. Now, if we take a look at the previous breakout from this down channel, you can see that on the same daily time frame chart, we have already broken out this down channel. And by the way, I've been telling you the target for the breakout from this channel even before the breakout. That was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $100. And you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target, but still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.